All right, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about an epic hero. It's much like superheroes, except for all the supernatural powers and that kind of thing. Epic heroes are your basic human beings, but they follow the same journey of our modern superheroes. In fact, a lot of our superheroes today are based on epic heroes. Only that our epic heroes are going to be just your basic run of the mill humans, just with a little extra boost to them. They have a little extra strength, things like that. You're only going to see epic heroes in an epic poem. And that is a long narrative poem that is influenced by a culture's traditions and its literature. So, really, the only time we're going to see epic heroes is like in the Odyssey, the Iliad, and Beowulf, like Achilles and Odysseus, and Beowulf will really be your main epic heroes. And an epic hero, the definition is a brave and noble character in an epic poem admired for great achievements or affected by grand events. His qualities are morality, loyalty, wisdom, boastfulness, and physical strength. So, morality is when we choose the right thing over the wrong thing. We choose to do good rather than bad. Now, this doesn't mean that Odysseus won't make bad decisions, but in the bigger picture, he's going to do the right thing. Loyalty, we all know what it means to be loyal, and we will see Odysseus be loyal to his men in situations when he could abandon them. He will remain loyal. His wisdom will also get him out of a lot of trouble, and this is probably his most significant strength. His wits and his ability to be very clever. Also, that relates back to the Iliad, where he thought of the Trojan horse. And he'll continue to do things like this to overcome his enemies. Boastfulness. That's when we brag on ourselves. We like to tell everybody what we can do and how great we are. And we will see Odysseus do this as well. And lastly, physical strength. On many occasions, we'll see our epic hero use his strength to and brute force, things like that, to help him overcome enemies and beasts and things like that.